Good morning everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss about vertical line test. Okay, the vertical line test, it is the method to determine the given curve is the graph of function or not. This is the method, vertical line test method. This vertical line test method is the method to determine the given graph is the graph of given curve is the graph of function or not. Okay, and please remember that a function can only have one output for unique input. Okay, and the output of the function for any unique input should not be more than one. The output should be only one output. Okay, the output should be only one in number. Okay, for any unique input. Okay, this is the point to be remembered on the function. And if the vertical line meets the graph more than once for any value of the x, then the curve is not the graph of the function. And here is the word vertical line. Vertical line means just the line which is perpendicular to the horizontal axis, which is parallel, or we can say that which is parallel to the vertical axis or y-axis. Okay, here we will draw one vertical line, and if that vertical line meets the graph more than once for any value of the x, then the curve is not the graph of the function. This is the point to be remembered while checking the given curve is the graph of function or not by using the vertical line test method. Okay, let me give some example to illustrate this topic. Okay, let me give some examples. Okay, let me minimize this question first. And here in this xy plane, okay, let me draw some curve. Okay, let me draw first, okay, this parabola. Okay, this is the parabola, this is the given curve. Okay, let's check this curve is the graph of function or not. Okay, we have to first make the vertical line. The vertical line means just the line which is perpendicular to the horizontal axis, which is perpendicular to the x-axis or parallel to the y-axis. Okay, let me make the vertical line first. Let me draw a line which is perpendicular to the x-axis. Okay. Okay, this is the line. Here I have drawn this line. Okay, let me change the color of this line. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, let me change the color of this vertical line. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, this line, this red color line is the vertical line which is perpendicular to the horizontal axis, which is perpendicular to the x-axis or parallel to the y-axis. And by using this vertical line, we are going to check the given curve is the graph of function or not. Okay, the method is we have to shift here. We can take any value of the x. These are this horizontal axis represents the any value of the x. We can take any value of the x. For any value of the x, this vertical line should meet this curve only at a point, only in one point. Okay, let me check this touch or not. Okay, but here this vertical line touches the this curve here the two times, one time this point and next time this point. It touches two times here. Let me check to the next inputs here. We can take any value of the x here. For any value of the x, this vertical line meets this curve two times here, one time at this point and the next time at this point. Okay, here the two times. Okay, let me check. Let me use the others value. Okay, let me check the next value. We can take any value of the x here. It always tosses two times at most. Okay, here we can see that, we can easily see that here is the tossing point, here is the one tossing point, here is the next meeting point. Okay, so we can say that it tosses more than one time. If the given curve is the function, is the graph of the function, then that vertical line should toss only at one point, but here it tosses here two times, 2 points, at 2 points here, one at this point and at this point, 2 points. We can check any value of the x. Okay, here for any value of the x, this vertical line tosses, always tosses this graph two times here. So this curve is not the graph of the function. We can say that this curve is not the graph of the function here. It always tosses two times. The curve to be the graph of the function, the vertical line should toss the given curve in only one point, at only one point, but here this vertical line touches in 2 points. Okay, let me use the next graph. Okay, let me use the next curve. Okay, let me use the exponential graph. Okay, let me check by this vertical line to this exponential graph. Okay, this is the exponential graph. Okay, here for any value of the x, we can easily observe that for any value of the x, this vertical line tosses. Okay, this tosses only at a point, only in one point, only at a point. Here we can see that for any value for any input, only at one point. So this curve, this given curve is the graph of the function. This is the graph of the function because it was the vertical line was only at a point on this graph. Okay, let me take the next example. Let me take the next curve. Okay, let me use the next graph. Let me use the equation of y equals to 2x. Okay, this is the graph, this is the line y equals to 2x. Okay, let me check for any value of the x. For any value of the x, here we can see that here this vertical line touches only at a point, only at one point. Okay, so we can say that this given curve, this given line is the graph of the function. This is the graph of the function because this vertical line touches only at a point. Okay, here only at a point we can see for any value of the x. Okay, let me take the last graph. Okay, let me take one more. Okay, let me take this equation. Okay, this is red color, this red line is our vertical line, and this is the given graph. Okay, given equation, and let's put this vertical line over this line, given line, and here we can see that this vertical line touches at so many points on this given graph. On this given graph, this vertical line touches at so many points, infinitely many points. So we can say that this graph, this given graph is not the graph of the function. It is not the graph of the function because this vertical line touches the graph, touches this graph in more than one time, in more than one points. So this is not the graph of the function. Okay, this is the way of checking the given curve or given graph is a function or not by using the vertical line test method. Okay, this is the way of checking. In our next video, we will discuss more about such types of interesting topics. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you, everyone.